Tapos may trabahong sumasabay.
Yeah. Syempre, it's only been a couple of months, so yeah. But I'm actually very grateful for the show. I'm grateful for the people that I'm working with my directors, with my producers on the set, the production staff, the crew. Um, that they were very understanding also, and I felt that they were also very sympathetic to me. So I'm thankful kasi syempre this is also kumbaga minsan ito yung dito ka na lang nalalabas lahat ng kailangan nilabas. Yeah, I'm grateful for JRB for having me for this.
I think that's one good thing for actors, no? Somehow yung nangyayari sa iyo, actually nagagamit mo doon sa trabaho mo bilang isang actor. So, nagiging somehow catharsis siya doon sa mga pinagdadaanan mo sa buhay.
In your case yan, Kuya John?
I think,
most.
I don't know, but I think mostly you encapsulate all your pains, your experiences into parang a form of art, and that is acting. I don't know if I'm just speaking for myself.
Before I give the microphone to